Right here we have a 4.5 risk to reward ratio with a stop loss just above the sell signal at 0.1% and a gain of 0.44% on that trade. Comes all the way down to the support level right here, as you can see by the blue support dotted line. Then we got another buy signal here bouncing off of support with another 0.5% gain at around a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio, again with tight stops. We have another sell signal right up here after it rejected from this resistance. Came down a nice 0.1% trade. Still another winning trade. If you move your stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit, you're not going to lose money on this trade. If anything, you're going to break even. We have another buy signal right here on another 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Comes up to resistance, another sell signal, and bam, look at that, a 0.5% move. Comes all the way down back to the support level, another 0.24% move with super tight stop losses here at around 0.1% for each of them. Another sell signal that we got stopped out at, which is okay. We only lost about 0.1%, so not terrible. And we got another buy signal right here, another 0.4%, and this is all within a few hours, okay? So this adds up real quick. Comes up to this resistance level, we get a sell signal right around here, and then another buy signal, and then it comes down. We get this buy signal right here, breaks through this resistance. We have a 0.4% gain. Another stop out right here at around 0.1%, and then a huge buy signal right here at around 1.5%, okay? And that is a 12-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then a nice, beautiful short all the way back down, 0.6%. So I'm gonna add these all up and see what the total percent is. All in all, in the span of around 6 hours, we've made a total of 5.2% scalping Ethereum on the 1-minute time frame, and that's with no leverage. So if you use 10, 20, 30x leverage, okay, you can see these 50 to 100% every single day. And this is normal for the users of Easy Algo. This is what we do every single day. This is how most people try to scalp on the 1-minute time frame. Okay, they have these standard candles, they have some weird indicators, maybe like RSI and the MACD. Well, the problem is you're not going to be a profitable scalper using the RSI and MACD. It's just not going to happen. What you need is algorithmic trading, and that's what I'm here to showcase today for you guys. So we're going to be scalping Ethereum on the 1-minute time frame, as I just showed you, and this can work across any asset on any time frame with the strategy I'm about to show you. So first things first, what you're going to want to do is click the first link in the description below to get yourself Easy Algo. Easy Algo is a buy-sell algorithm that we're going to be using in today's strategy. It is by far the best buy-sell indicator on the market. Works across any asset on any time frame. So after you've got Easy Algo, you're going to come up here and change your candles to Heikin-Ashi candles. This makes it so much easier to tell the overall trend of the market and just makes reading price action a lot cleaner. Then what you're going to want to do is come up here to indicators, click on invite only scripts, and click on Easy Algo V1. Now this is the buy and sell indicator that I was talking about, and as you can see, it already looks incredible. However, we're going to change the sensitivity, and what the sensitivity does is dictate when the buy and sell signals appear and disappear. So we're going to use a higher sensitivity because we're on a lower time frame, and we want a super smooth chart. We don't want a ton of buy and sell signals. We just want to get the gist of the overall trend. Next, what we want is the support and resistance levels. Now this is crucial because we don't want to be buying at resistance and selling at support, so we use these levels as confirmation on top of the buy and sell signals. So that's it for the settings, and as you can see, all we're doing is following the signal. So as soon as we see a buy signal near support, we enter a long with our stop loss right below the buy candle, and as soon as we see a sell at resistance, we will open up a short with the stop loss right above the sell signal. We're going to want to take profits fairly quickly at around a 1-to-1 ratio and then move our stop loss to break even, so we're securing some profits while also making sure that we are 100% in a winning trade, and that winning trade will not turn into a potentially losing trade. Now as you can see, this would have been a perfect short opportunity because we came right up into resistance and we got a sell signal. This would have been a perfect buy opportunity because we came right back to support and we got a buy signal. This would not have been a good sell signal. Why? Well, because it's already at support. We're not going to sell at support like how we're not going to buy at resistance. So this would not be a good sell signal. So this would not be a position that we're going to take. This would, right? We got another buy signal here at support. As you can see, prices very much respect the support and resistance levels. So when you see these levels on Easy Algo, just know that you should be keeping an eye out for them. Now, as you can see, we got another buy signal right here, and where did it go? Came right up into this resistance. Then we got a rejection. You know, you could have taken this trade, maybe would have been stopped out, maybe not, probably around a break-even trade, so you probably wouldn't make or lose anything on that trade. Same with this trade. Going to want to move your stop loss to break even after the 1-to-1 ratio, or as soon as you're in profit. So that would have been another break even trade. This would have been a good short to take, but as you can see, price wanted to move up, and we got this beautiful buy signal right here. And then as you can see, this previous resistance was now being tested as support. So as soon as you see this, right, breaks out of this range that we're in, and we get a buy signal, oh boy, you know that is going to be a huge trade, and definitely a long that I would enter. So, you know, put your stop loss right below the buy candle or the previous swing low if you want a little bit more leg room, but I'll keep it right here for now. And look at that trade, guys. And we honestly wouldn't take profit probably until this sell signal right here. So maybe around, in total, a 1.3% move. And this is on the 1 minute time frame. So you can imagine with leverage, with 100x leverage, you know, these trades are huge. So, and this is probably one of the choppiest markets I have ever seen. Everyone's saying, oh, you know, crypto's going to zero. Price has been moving sideways for months. And the algo is still killing it, right? As long as you follow the signals to a T, use good risk management, and make sure to take profits quickly and move your stop losses to break even, buy at support and sell at resistance, you will be all good. Now, Easy Algo is actually meant for Heikin-Ashi candles, but I'm going to go back here and back test it real time to show you guys using the normal candles what it would actually look like real time when you're entering and exiting these trades. So let's go back here and so I'm sure you can see for yourself how powerful this strategy is when executed correctly. Now, again, the strategy is we're going to be buying at support with the blue buy signal as the confirmation, and then selling at resistance with the red sell signal as that confirmation. We're going to keep our stop losses very tight, and we're going to take our first take profit at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then move our stop loss to break even. Make sure when you're using the strategy to use limit orders, because when you're trading on the 1 minute and you're using market orders, the fees are going to kill you. So make sure you're entering these trades with limit orders. And also, I get this asked a lot, well, does Easy Algo repaint? And the answer is no, Easy Algo does not repaint. But entries should be made on the closure of the candle, because sometimes a signal might flash, but it does not print the signal because the candle has not closed like that. So if you see a flashing signal that is totally normal, you should not enter the trade until the candle closes. I just want to make that clear. That's why when I'm entering these trades, I'm entering them from the closure of the candle. I'm not entering them from the actual buy signal itself. I'm entering it from that candle closure. So let me know down in the comment section below your results using the strategy with Easy Algo. I think this is one of the most simple strategies out there, to be honest, and I see a ton of YouTubers overcomplicating scalping, using a ton of different weird indicators that don't work. I'm sorry, the MACD and RSI do not work when it comes to scalping. You're not going to be profitable long term, and I think everyone who's tried that knows that. If you have not tried algorithmic trading and you want to give Easy Algo a shot, click the first link in the description below. You will not regret it. It is by far the best buy sell indicator. It's not only perfect for entering trades just using the signals alone on a higher time frame, but the signals are a great confirmation that go hand in hand with technical analysis. And even if you don't know technical analysis, that is okay, because Easy Algo comes with automatic support and resistance lines, so you can visibly see the level you're trading at, you know the range, and you can make and execute trades fairly easily. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more trading and indicator videos. But that's it for me. I'll catch you next video.